If you're experiencing pending transfers on Revolut, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you understand the process and get your transfers completed. Step 1. Check transfer status. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the Transactions section. Look for the pending transfer to see its current status and any notifications related to it. Step 2. Verify recipient details. Ensure that the recipient's details, such as their account number and name, are correct. If there are any discrepancies, you may need to cancel the transfer and resend it with the correct information. Step 3. Review payment limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the transfer remains pending after checking the details, reach out to Revolut's customer support. Use the in-app chat feature for a quick response and provide them with the transaction details for assistance. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes pending transfers may take longer due to bank processing times or network issues. If you've confirmed everything is correct, be patient and monitor the transaction for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Revolut effectively. If issues persist, continue to seek support from their customer service team.